The enemies of the Federation are numerous, and their dreams of a humanity that is broken, shattered, and defenseless could still come true. We need you, Trooper, to fight for the Federation with everything you've got. You'll need to be a true hero to survive this one. This is as real as it gets.
Follow my lead.
Who are you? Where are we?
Is she coming out of it?
Ors! Can you hear me?
We've got bugs all over the plaza!
Sammy, if you can hear me.
Janice?
All troopers in range! Kill these bugs! Repeat! All troopers in range! Retake Victory Plaza!
in a day's work. You know my name?
It's not alone. Destroy the X!
Enough eggs here. Who am I talking to?
Good to see ya! You want some? Kill 'em!
and an omelet. That's about all the eggs I could find.
Her color. She's doing much better, isn't she?
Thanks, Yanis.
Bugs don't know what hit him.
Okay, that thing knows. These bugs are doomed. This is for the species! Now! Join the mobile infantry and save the galaxy, right?
Can't wait to exercise my authority over some bugs.
Name and rank now!
Private Dietz, ma'am!
Private Deeps, take these charges and set them on the bridge. Stop those bugs before they set foot on the other side!
Yes, ma'am! I'm all yours.
time to blow them all to high heaven. Whoa! Never heard a sound like that before.
Sounds like trouble.
Oh God, it's here. I don't want to die.
Are you?
Get to footnet.
I'm coming to get you!
Sammy, hang
I done?
I think she's waking up. Is she gonna be okay? Sammy? Sammy!
Cut.
Hey, gamer. It's me. Otto Spear. You probably recognize me from my films, or my martial arts and wellness instructional videos. When FedDev reached out about Ultimate Bug War, I didn't just say I'd do it for free. I asked, when can we start? My passion may be art, but that won't protect me from an arachnid. That's why I became a citizen and dedicated my life not just to making art, but to making art that means something. So why not follow in my footsteps? Who knows? Maybe I'll need a co-star for my next movie.
Would you like to know more?
Oh, nice shot, Major.
Thank you, General. Feels like I'm really there.
Well, it is the most realistic depiction of war that's ever been made. But before we go any further, let's take a moment to give a shout out to our sponsors.
This stream is brought to you by the Games in Theory division. Do your best to get a high score and earn special perks and basic training.
And now, back to the game. What can we expect in the next level?
Well, this level covers my mission to Planet P, which actually remains classified.
Sometimes, for the good of the Federation and all of its citizens, certain missions stay classified.
All that I'm clear to say is that my mission to Planet P involved the best of the Federation.
But we couldn't just end the game here. After all, you made it this far. We salute you for your excellence on the gaming field.
So, for the very first time, we're going to show you a citizen-safe and Federation-approved version of that very mission.
Names, faces, and mission details have been changed so that you can have the best gaming experience possible.
We hope you'll enjoy this final chapter of Ultimate Bug War.
And that you've learned something valuable by vividly reliving the experiences of a Federation hero.
Player! If you're already a citizen, we thank you for your service. But if you're not, just remember, Ultimate Bug War may be your ticket to fast-track citizenship. Ultimate Bug War won't just show you what it's like to be out there in the battlefield. It'll make sure you have the quick thinking and even quicker reflexes it takes to survive as a soldier in a way you can track. Die less, score more. If you get a high score, you'll be hearing from a Federation officer with a special recruitment offer just for you.
Would you like to know more?